Reviewing ad performance is essential because it tells you how effective your campaign has been at reaching and engaging your target audience. Metrics like reach and clicks give you a good understanding of what's working and what's not, allowing you to make changes accordingly. For example, if your ads just aren't getting any clicks, it's probably meaning that your content needs tweaking to better resonate with your audience. Could you improve your ads in some way, like editing the video, adding text, or perhaps just changing up the photos you're using? Tracking this also helps you to manage your budget more effectively, so you're investing in ads that only drive results for your pub. In the notes section, you'll find a link to the glossary of advertising terms to help you understand what each metric actually means. You'll also find a link to the advertising checklist, which is a great 10-point checklist of everything you need in order to get started with advertising. So find both of the links to these downloadables in the notes on this video. All of your advertising results are displayed in Meta Ads Manager. These results are updated frequently during your campaign and are available permanently unless you delete them. So when you're having a look through these results, start to ask yourself, are your ads delivering on your objectives? Are you getting good reach and clicks? Have you spent much of your budget? Are they costing more than you'd hoped for? Which creative is performing the best as well? Is it photos, videos, carousels, or slideshows? What is the cost per result, such as the cost per click? That's a good metric to take a look at and benchmark against previous campaigns. So to conclude, you should be looking at your reach, that's the number of unique users who saw your ad, your link clicks, that's how many people clicked on the link in your ad to your website, the cost per result, that's how much you've spent per result. That's based on what your objective was, so link clicks or video views. And the frequency is useful as well. This shows you the number of times someone has seen one of your ads on average. You don't want this number to be more than 4, otherwise you begin to get a little bit annoying to people.